What's up, guys? So today is our trip to Puerto Plata. We want to hit the rum factory and the chocolate factory, and we have to do some shopping. It's, I guess, pretty much in Puerto Plata. They have more of a grocery store that's, I guess, comparable to like a Walmart or a Super Target in America. So we're gonna check it out. There's a few things that I've been wanting to get, and Matt needs some new shorts. In the comments below, I've seen that people have been hating on his outfits, and he doesn't really have anything left because he ruins everything. So we'll see if we can find anything and come along.
Alright guys, we made it. We're in Puerto Plata.
It was scary. They don't have speed limit signs. They don't have any rules.
They're just out and about. You know, you drive how you want to drive here. But it's fun. You know, there's a lot more cops out here in Puerto Plata. They got like machine guns and stuff. They're just walking around. It's pretty crazy, but it's definitely more of like a bigger city feel. And I think we're gonna get to go to the chocolate factory real quick. There's a church over here that everyone says we gotta go see. A big church. So let's go run in there real quick. So one thing I'm always really impressed with in these islands that we've been to is their ability to engineer things out of relatively commonplace items. Like as you can see here, they use an old beer keg as a compressor tank for the compressors that they dive to clean your bottoms. They do the hookahs to go diving and things like that, and they just make it, they weld it out of an old beer keg, they put the compressor on there, and that holds the air. So, you know, if you're in America and you got a keg laying around, make yourself a compressor.
We now made it to the marine store, and we're gonna see if we can buy some fans.
Yeah, we need
or
a
at
new
least
fan.
one fan.
Alright, they didn't have no fans here. It's kind of a bummer, but they sent us to another store that they said will definitely have them. So the adventure continues.
So the thing with Matt is I have a whole list of boat projects to do, but he gets into a store like this and all he starts looking at is the fishing stuff, the fishing rods, the spear fishing stuff, snorkels, and all the stuff that we don't need.
I feel like these are the hitters. So we hit the sporting goods store. I got some mitts, so now I can start teaching, getting a little bit of training in here as well myself. And all the hard work is over because now we hit the rum distillery.
Yeah, they stopped doing them at 12 though, so you have to get all your drunkenness on before noon for some reason.
Yeah, we're at the Brugal distillery, and what we thought was we'll go get all of our shopping done, be responsible, and we'll hit the rum tasting on the way out. But they said you got to go before noon, so we still have a lot of shopping to do, and it's all downhill from here. We're gonna be wasted.
We'll see.
Turnt.
It's gonna be fun. We didn't even eat breakfast yet, I don't think, have we?
Oh no, we didn't eat nothing. We gotta eat something. This ain't gonna go right. This is the moonshine. They get it down to the shine, and it's 95%, so hopefully you
You'll find a stomach pop up. You drink a lot? Just let me know. 5 years, and then smoke your can for 2 or 3 years.
So it should also get some of that cherry.
Alright guys, so they just hired me here
All the box.
at the... Whoa, you got scared, he stopped smiling. The first time he stopped smiling, he's like,
Yeah, turn it on so you can see the light.
Oh yeah, guys, if you're ever in Puerto Plata, if you're ever in Luperon, if you're ever in the Dominican, make sure you come out here to see Frankenstein. It's not Frankenstein the monster, he's like wicked smart. So it's Frankenstein because he speaks like 9 different languages. 10, excuse me. 10. Sorry, 10 different languages. And I think I'm going to be speaking a little bit of Spanish, English, and then whatever language I start speaking once I drink enough of this is going to be my third language.
The language of the rum.
It's going to be like Creole, a little bit of mix of my Louisiana friends, and then Spanish and English all together. So if you're ever here, come see him. This is worth it. And we're definitely getting wasted because we skipped breakfast today. Here's to you. Cheers.
More, just let me know.
That one's mine, it's coming to me.
Yeah, so they're pretty, what is it? They're lenient with the pours here. They just let you get twisted as hell. Our friends we've reached the drunk part where they're starting to set the tour guide up with their granddaughter in the U.S. What do you think?
Seems like a nice guy. He knows 10 languages, so it's a good match.
I mean, he's going to be able to cuss her out in a lot of different languages, right?
Good stuff in life. So that she doesn't.
Turn-on time's happening. Nobody really knows what's happening, and he just keeps asking us, "Would you like more? Would you like more?" So literally, you can drink as much as you literally want.
You could drink a lot here, I feel like, because there's days that's less crowded. We came on a Monday, so there's no one else here. So I think they probably have an allotment of a bottle, and they just let you drink the whole thing. All we know is love is in the air. We're setting up family members. We're all gonna be related.
So we made somewhere to eat lunch on the beach to sober up a little bit.
We need it. We're at Big Lee's Beach Bar. Big Lee's. So here in the Dominican Republic, there's this famous drink. A lot of folklore about it. It's the Mamajuana. They say it's like an aphrodisiac or whatever, but they said the same thing about the pistol of the conch in the Bahamas, and they say the same thing about the Mamajuana here. I went ahead and got one. Not that I think I need it, but it seems a little inappropriate. But it's a famous drink, and this is the first place that we've been that has it on the menu. So we're gonna pop off. Hopefully nothing inappropriate happens. All right, ladies and gentlemen, well here's the Mamajuana Super Shot.
You got to say what it is, though.
This is the Mamajuana Super Shot. Oh yeah, sorry, you guys probably don't know what it is. It's what is it? Portion. It's a mixture of wine, rum. What is it? Honey. And sticks. There's the Mamajuana sticks is what's the Viagra of the island.
Is it cinnamon, though?
There's cinnamon is some of the sticks. There is some cinnamon, and then they got the regular Mamajuana sticks. So here we go. Blast off. Smells good. I'll save you a sip. Oh, but they say if you have one, the action starts, and the action is good. They're like, but if you have 2 shots, or even just a little bit too big of the first shot, you fall asleep and the action is over. So that's what they say. But then Russell, being as we're sailors, he had a really good point. He's like, well, even if you have too much, you won't roll out of bed while the boat's rocking side to side. So if you're a sailor, you might get that. If you're from Louisiana, you might not get it. Cheers.
And then you can fall all over. And Lisa wanted to know about.
Guys, it's been 3 hours, and I don't know if it's something wrong with me, but nothing happened. So my boy Russell over there ordered me another shot. I mean, I'm going to be honest, I don't feel anything. I don't know what the hell they're talking about. Do you? I mean, do I seem different? I can't tell. I don't know what's going on.
So we got food in us, we have tons of rum in us, beer, and now we're going to the chocolate. We're really indulging. We're really indulging today.
Yeah,
all in one day.
Well, we worked hard to get here, and now we're enjoying the fruits of our labors.
We have a video for you. They need to be fermented and waxy. The fermented is way 4 to 6 days. So friends, do you have any questions about that? Start first of all with ritual.
Right. Where do Trying the chocolate. I have the white, 60% dark, and the milk chocolate.
That's all good.
And I like the dark chocolate.
You too.
I don't know if anybody else is into dark chocolate.
So we decided on our chocolates. I got the really dark, and she got the regular dark.
I get dark milk chocolate.
It's a sweet one. It's a sweet regular one, you know?
So we made it to the Dominican Republic Target place.
It smells just like a real Target. It's real. You know, I've been looking for a long time to finally find someone that had my brand in one of these stores, and they got it. They got the club.
Cub.
Oh shit. They got the Cub. The Cub Sexy Mans, which is all they ever wear. We're trying to buy some steak, but we don't know what any of them say. And we really don't know what they look like, so we're just trying to buy the most expensive one we can find.
I don't know about that, but we just don't want to eat something weird. So we liked our Mamajuana. How do you say it?
Mamajuana.
Mamajuana shot so well that we decided we went out to the gift store. I guess it would be a gift store. Is that what you call it? Jumbo.
Jumbo's gift shop.
And they have their own kit of the sticks. So what it looks like to me is it's just mulch is what it looks like. So that makes me really worried inside, thinking there's going to be a lot of chemicals on it, like your old Home Depot from America mulch. But you basically put that in. The recipe says add rum or wine and honey. Ours, I think, had wine and rum in it. So we don't have any wine, though, right now. So we're just going to pour rum in ours. And guess wait. The longer you wait, the better it is. So maybe we wait for like a week before we drink it.
It says at least a week. Yeah, you basically let it all seep into one another, and then you pop off on it.
Pop off. So I guess just pour it in. It doesn't say measurement, so we're just going to guess.
Yeah, just fill it up. And then we have our Brugal rum, which is the guy that told us about the Mamajuana. And I think it's going to go down pretty good. I'm not too crazy about the mulch, but they have some sticks, some like herbs in there, like a rock or two down at the bottom.
Ew, what's that at the bottom of this?
It's just the bobber, the float bobber that I had to push out of here. Crisis averted.
I thought it was like a egg.
Worm. So yeah, this is supposed to be the big dog Dominican aphrodisiac.
But how much honey do you put in?
I think you just kind of do it to taste. You like whatever's the sweetest. Oh Lord. Whoa.
I think we want to pour a good amount in, right? Oh shoot.
Oh.
Oh no. I think, oh shoot. Honey's not cheap either, so.
It ain't cheap.
We're going to have to check back in like in a week to show you guys if it's good. Or if we're dead.
Well, the one we had was good, but we got to get some wine and pour that in it too, but.
Yeah, we'll get some wine also to pour it in. Let's see how, oh. We poured in about that much rum, it seems like.
Looks like we got
Should we put more honey in?
about that much rum. I don't know if you can see it. Bitter about halfway. Should we put in more honey? Let's put in more honey and more rum.
No, we don't want it. We don't have any more rum, and there's like stuff at the bottom of that, and I don't want to choke and die.
No, gross.
Just a little more honey, but I'll put it in slower. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed our trip to Puerto Plata. I know we haven't been showing a lot about the boat recently because once you get somewhere new, you want to go adventure. Check out the whole area. We're at a new country. We want to see what's out there.
We do want to see what's out there, and we have been seeing what's out there. And you know, on the adventure, you find some useful things, like the Dominican aphrodisiac of Mamajuana. Now, if any of you guys know why they named it Mamajuana, let me know in the comments below, because I know, but I'm not going to spoil it for you guys. So if you guys know why they would call an aphrodisiac Mamajuana, let us know.
So we'll let you know next week how it tastes.
And hopefully we ain't got, you know, any more crushing news to say about having, you know, if it works too good, We'll be like all the other sailing couples and we'll have a stowaway.
No, we won't.
No, we won't. We won't.
Alright guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and share our video. It helps a lot. And thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.